everyone, welcome to Raj Malhotra's IAS Academy. In continuation with our series Place in News, here I am with yet another video. In this video, we are about to discuss an article from the Hindu newspaper. The article says, Sambar Lake needs faster restoration, says expert study. You can relate this article with GS paper 3 environment topic. In that particular, you can relate with human intervention and impact of that on biodiversity. Impact of that on biodiversity. For prelims, there are certain important facts which you need to remember. Sambar Lake is located in state of Rajasthan. It is largest inland saltwater lake in India and it represents the depression of Aravalli range. It was under administrative control of Mughal Empire from 1526 till 1857. Later on, princely state of Jaipur and Jodhpur took joint control over this area. It was declared as an internationally important wetland site in 1990 under Ramsar Convention by Government of India. This lake covers area of around 190 to 230 square kilometer. The lake receives water from Samod River, Kheri River, Mantha River, Khandela River, Madetha River and Rupangad River. It is famously known for xerophytic plants, which means those plants which can survive in drought area. Now let's discuss about Ramsar site as well. What is Ramsar Convention? So let's move it. If we talk about Ramsar Convention, you have to remember that in 1962, there was one conference known as Mar Conference. Under this conference, there was one treaty signed, that is International Treaty for Wetland. International Treaty for Wetland. After that, people from across the globe gathered to start negotiating text for Ramsar Convention. So, in 1971, 2nd Feb 1971, the Ramsar Convention was open for signature to all party under UN. This convention came into force in 1975. Australia was the first country to adopt this convention or ratify this convention, and it came into force in 1975. India had ratified this convention in 1981, and Keoladeo in Rajasthan was the first place which was covered under this Ramsar Convention. This convention talks about wise use of wetland and sustainable use of wetland. So that is all about most important facts which you should remember under Ramsar site when you are answering any question. In general, there are 46 sites in India under Ramsar Convention. We will be covering these sites in various videos, but not today. So I hope you like this video. I hope you are able to get the concept, or you are able to understand which news are important for your prelims. Thank you very much for this session.